January 2022 or January 2021? Well, the way this year's market started out, it seemed like a repeat of last year's market. Let's find out why. I'm Liza Wilson, trusted real estate advisor for over a decade, and I specialize in helping families upsize their home in the Ottawa area. This is your January 2022 Ottawa real estate market update. In January, 936 properties were sold by Ottawa Real Estate Board members. Now, of that number, 661 were residential and 275 were condominium. Now, those numbers are above the 5-year average, so it's been a strong start to the year. Now, why am I saying it's a repeat of 2021? Well, we started out in a lockdown and the inventory is low, and that's putting pressure on prices. So what are the prices? Let's find out. The average residential sale price was just under $772,000, which is an increase of 14% from last year, and the average condominium sale price was just under $448,000, and that is an increase of 18% from last year. Okay, so we all know that prices of the homes in Ottawa area have been rising over the past 2 years, but let me give you some proof to back that up. In 2020, we saw homes sold over the $1 million mark represent about 3% of the sales. Now in 2021, that same number climbed to 9% of the sales. This year, 14% of the detached homes sold were over the $1 million mark, so we can see that steady rise in prices. What seems to be the most common price point buyers are paying? Well, this year, 47% of residential homes sold were between the $650 to $900 mark. That means a lot of buyers are looking in that range. Another interesting note is the significant sales we are seeing in condominium class. Now, why is that? Well, as the prices rise, condominiums become the more affordable price point for people that are first-time buyers, downsizers, or even investors. Now, what have I been seeing in the market for January so far? Well, there's low inventory, that's for sure, and yet buyers are actively looking, which meant we were competing in multiple offers. And it's important to know how to stand out when you're competing. So if you need the help of a real estate agent, send me a message and I would be happy to help.